Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2024 Toyota GR Supra is a two-door sports car that captures the essence of Toyota's performance heritage. It's available with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine or a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine. The four-cylinder engine makes 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, while the six-cylinder engine makes 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The GR Supra comes standard with a long list of features, including a digital instrument cluster, an 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance features. One of the most interesting features of the 2024 GR Supra is the 45th Anniversary Edition. This limited edition model is only available in 900 units in the US market and comes in two exclusive colors, Mican Blast and Absolute Zero. It also features unique wheels, a rear spoiler, and interior trim. If you're looking for a thrilling and stylish sports car, the 2024 Toyota GR Supra is a great option. Here are some of its key features. Powerful turbocharged engines, available 6-speed manual transmission, sharp handling, luxurious interior, packed with features. Whether you're a seasoned sports car enthusiast or just looking for a fun and exciting car to drive, the 2024 Toyota GR Supra is sure to impress. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.